Hands-on is essential. One thing is, watching it on a YouTube or a video and you get the concepts, but getting in there and practicing it and getting the feel of doing the injections, even the local anesthetic, getting a feel for doing that is essential. Anybody can watch a video and say, oh, I can do that. But doing it on a real person, if you encounter some sort of problem or how best to do this or that, that's where the experience comes in. Like anything else in medicine, you see one, you do one, then you can teach one. But you have to do a lot of them to feel comfortable. But this is a relatively simple procedure. It's not that complex. I think that it's easily taught in with 1 or 2 sessions, and you can feel that you're pretty confident.